The parents of a 14-year-old murder suspect are also facing charges.
Police in Baytown say 14-year-old Anaya Zachary was shot and killed by one of her classmates last month. Now the parents of that classmate are accused of leaving the gun unsecured.
Maria Aguilera spoke with the family of the victim, and she has their reaction tonight. Maria?
Yeah, Lynn and Mia, the charges of making a firearm accessible to a child were filed here at the Harris County Courthouse. Now, today I spent some time with the family in Baytown getting their reaction, and they tell me that they are not satisfied with the charge.
I miss my baby, man.
A little more than a month has passed since 14-year-old Anaya Zachary was killed. Her dad, Joseph Zachary, says their family is trying to cope with her death.
Suffering, but I can manage.
The suspect charged with killing her is a 14-year-old classmate of hers at Baytown Junior High. Now, his parents are facing misdemeanor charges for making a firearm accessible to a child.
The parents have this little misdemeanor slap on the wrist. I'm not comfortable with that or nothing, man. You know, it's not no misdemeanor.
According to court documents, the suspect got into a fight with Anaya on the bus ride home and threatened to kill her. Investigators say after he was dropped off, he went into his parents' bedroom and took a gun from a travel bag next to their bed. Then went to the apartment complex where Anaya lived and shot her. He's then accused of going back home and putting the gun right back where he found it.
Why have it somewhere where he can get hold to it? Why not have a lock on the gun?
His mind wasn't even fully developed. That's why that gun should not have been there.
As Anaya's family fights for justice, they're left with only memories of her short life. Heartbroken, they won't be able to celebrate her 15th birthday next month.
I can't get my child back. Can't get my child back, so.
At this time, we are not identifying the parents because their child was charged with murder as a juvenile. Now, according to court documents, the parents have refused to give statements to investigators and have hired an attorney. And at last check, they have not been in custody yet. Back to you.
A family waiting for justice for the loss of their 14-year-old. Maria, thank you.